it's Mikey and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Meg Badwar. And so guys, आज मैं literally record इसलिए कर रही हूँ because I feel good about myself first. Second, I thought I'll record a week in my life because I recorded a day in my life. So right now I just woke up like 10 minutes, 20 minutes back, and it's 10:40 right now, and I'm outside because it's raining and I love rain, like love rain. तो मैं बाहर खड़ी हूँ अभी एंड भाई बारिश, ओ माय गॉड, वाव हो रही है. सो गाइस मैं बाहर गई टू रिकॉर्ड दैट बारिश का वीडियो एंड मैं भीग गया लाइक लिटरली. ये देखो मेरे कपड़े भी भीगे. एंड बाय द वे आई एम स्टिल इन माय नाइट सूट, सो डोंट जज मी. यस वैभव, you want to say hi to the vlog? You want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi.
Guys, I was finding Mama and she's there. Like if you guys can see, like she's there in the middle of the road in this massive cats and dog rain. I don't know what she's doing there. तो guys मैं अभी माँ के किचन में हूँ. जो माँ है ये मेरी नानी है. माँ आप कुछ कहना चाहते हो? माँ इग्नोर कर दिए मुझे.
कुछ नहीं करनी मैं.
आप कुछ कहना चाहते हो? आप मेरी वीडियो में आ रहे, आपको कैसा लग रहा है? क्यों नहीं कहना? आप मेरे व्यूअर्स को कुछ कहना चाहते हैं?
व्यूअर्स को ये कहना चाहते हैं कि भाई महक एक गुड गर्ल है, उसको उसके वो देखो जो वो बेचती है, बस यही कहना है. और
ना कि आप क्या थे, आप बताना चाहते हैं अपने बारे में कुछ?
मैं तो वेटरनरी डॉक्टर था, पशु चिकित्सक हैं. और 61 में मैंने वेटरनरी ग्रेजुएशन किया था. और क्या
देखो गाइस, लेजेंड
हैं,
लेजेंड हुआ.
लेजेंड पहले कुछ पहले 94 में दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट से रिटायर हो गया, फिर प्रैक्टिस की डॉग क्लिनिक. क्यों?
बाय द वे मेरी माँ और नाना को वैक्सीन लग चुकी है, दोनों डोज. और उनको कल ही लगी, परसों. कल या लगी, परसों लगी. हाँ कल लगी थी उनको सेकेंड डोज. और माँ के हाथ में भी दर्द है, वो फिर भी मेरे लिए कॉफी बना दी है. माँ आपको कहीं दर्द हो रही है? आप अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताना चाहती हैं?
कुछ नहीं बता रही, दर्द है थोड़ी सी.
ना आप बताना चाहते हैं आपको क्या एक्सपीरियंस था सेकेंड डोज के साथ?
सेकेंड डोज में थोड़ा पेन ज़्यादा है, जहाँ साइट इंजेक्शन के साइट पर. और तो कोई वही नहीं, कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है. फर्स्ट डोज में थोड़ा टेम्परेचर हुआ था बस, बाकी सब ठीक.
It's been a while since I last recorded. उसके बाद I was playing PUBG with my friends. So हाँ, एंड अभी मैं शायद नहाने जाऊँगी या फिर मैं अपना रूम सॉर्ट करूँगी. मेरा रूम बहुत मैसी हो रहा है. I can't even show you guys that. So I think I'll clean my room first, do my bedding, change my bedsheet and stuff, and oh that's Vaibhav. I'll change my bedding and stuff and then I'll clean my room and then I'll see you guys after I take a bath. Okay guys, I'm done cleaning my room. I've also taken a bath. Oh भाई मेरे को बाल गीले नहीं करने थे, ये अपने आप हो जाते हैं. So annoying. I don't like long hair. So that's a fact about me. And I've done cleaning my room. I've taken a bath and I can show you guys my room. I've cleaned my room. I'm not gonna give you guys a room tour, so I've cleaned my room. So that guys, I was about to start recording and my nail broke. भाई क्या यार? Don't worry guys, वो acrylic nail था, extension थी, but this is my actual nail. But what the hell? यार मेरा nail, it looks so, ऐसे मेरी उंगली कट गई. I'm sad. मेरे nail, मैं इसको glue से चिपकाऊंगी अब. But anyways guys, I was about to record because I got hacked from Albany. I'm gonna unbox this for you guys and let's see. I'm so happy. Let's open this one first. I'm so happy. Love the packaging. By the way, guys, this is my first time ordering something from Urbanic. But this is the first t-shirt I've got. It says Rock More, and it's a crop top and full sleeves. So I like the color and the details. So this is my first thing. Second, I have this. By the way, this took so long to arrive. I was waiting for so long. But finally it's here. Oh, I like this. Second is this crop top which says 23. हाँ 23. उल्टा दिख रहा है. हाँ 23. तो I think this is a top that will go with my Converse. Yes, I buy clothes according to my shoes, and people buy shoes according to their clothes, which is something I don't care about. Next, I have, this is my favorite one. I don't know about the fitting, but I loved it so much. Okay, I saw some, bro, तो chain निकल, क्या हो रहा है? Oh, अच्छा, these are separate. Ooh, खुद fix करना पड़ेगा. So this is the top. It's like a crop top, grey tie-dye. Huh. So, and this is the chain that goes over here like crisscross. And then this comes with 2 sleeves, which will attach to the half sleeve of attached. मुझे नहीं पता. हाँ, this will attach here. There's a hook here. This will attach. So guys, hi. I'm going cycling right now with my friend, who's actually my brother from another mother. Such a little baby snail. He's so slow. आप क्या कर रहे हो? So guys, I got back from cycling and I took a shower. भाई मेरे पूरे कपड़े गंदे हो गए थे, लाइक मिट्टी से लिटरली मेरे दोनों शूज़ पानी से भर, लाइक उनमें से पानी ड्रिप हो रहा था लिटरली. वो सीन था. एंड मैं ये टी शर्ट पूरी कीचड़ से ड्रॉप कीचड़ की, और मैं वाइट टी शर्ट पहन के गई थी. हाउ एक्साइटिंग. एंड आई एम सो स्मार्ट. थैंक यू. तो हाँ, और मेरी पूरी पैंट पे कीचड़. सो यस, वो सब तो मैंने उतार दिया है. इन माई कम्फी क्लोथ्स, एक्चुअली इन माई नाइट सूट. तो ये बात है. एंड नाउ आई थिंक आई गेट समथिंग टू ईट and then I'll probably edit today's footage. I think that's it for the day. Hey guys, it's the next day and started recording in the evening because I wasn't doing anything. मैं सुबह से कुछ करनी नहीं थी, मैं अपने बेड में थी and I was just editing yesterday's footage and stuff. तो बस वही था. अभी I have to make a reel for a Instagram page, so I'm gonna do that. And I think I'll see you guys in a while. अगर कुछ हुआ तो I'll update you, वरना तो today's day is just like अजीब सा ही, क्या ही बोलूँ मैं. ठीक है. And I'm down, so मेरे mood swings हो रहे हैं, तो वो एक बात है. बट ठीक है, जो भी. अभी I'll record that. So guys, it's been a while. It's, I think, what's the time? It's 11 something, I don't know. So abhi, like, I just ordered some donuts. Oh, not visible, but I just ordered donuts from Dunkin'. I'm gonna have that. Here are my, oh, who ate my donut? ये तो मैंने खाया था आधा. वो पापा ने खा लिया. ये मम्मा का है, मम्मा ने ऑलरेडी खा लिया. एंड मैं अब अपना खा चुका है. सो अभी that is the update for, and I had iced tea. So I'm just gonna do journaling for now, and then I'll see you guys, I think, tomorrow morning, because I don't have much for the day. I'll just edit later in the night. And oh, there's Vaibhav. Hello. Do you want to say something?
No.
You want to say hi to the vlog again?
Hi.
So guys, I'm just gonna journal for now. So hi guys, it's the next day and me and Mama are going to get My mama is getting, what are you getting?
Hair color.
Mama is getting her hair colored and I think I'm gonna get a haircut. So that's a surprise for you guys. So you can see that later in the video or maybe in my Instagram. So yes, so we're gonna go there right now and see you guys in a while. This is how Mama's hair look. She got her hair straight
क्या हो
also.
गया पीछे क्या हो गया?
So hi guys, I reached back home like बहुत देर पहले. मैं अब रिकॉर्ड करी क्योंकि उस टाइम मैं आके थक गई थी तो I was just resting a bit and editing and stuff and YouTube and stuff जो भी था तो मैं वो कर रही थी and फिर अब I think it's 11 something and I'm gonna go sleep. No, I'm gonna play PUBG. I'm gonna play PUBG right now and then later I'll edit and I'll sleep and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So guys, it's the next day and abhi I'm going to Global Fire with some peeps to get my nails done. These are my peeps. That's Soria. That is Bebo.
Bebo नहीं हूँ मैं.
Bebo.
Bebo हूँ.
Ole Bebo. तो गाइस हम यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं नेलर पर अभी वेटिंग है तो हम वेट कर रहे हैं और ये दोनों पता नहीं यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं और वो रही मम्मा तो गाइस मेरे नेल्स हो चुके हैं एंड दिस इज हाउ दे लुक एंड समबडी इज हियर and somebody surprised me and I knew it like मुझे शक तो था ही and he's here. This is Sky. Sky, do you So guys, I'm back home. I'm really tired and it's too hot outside. So this is how my nails look. And I'll show you Mama's when she comes back. She's not home yet. So yes, that is that and I'm gonna change my comfy clothes now and then what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna get something, I'm gonna eat something and drink something and then I'm gonna edit. Editing is very important and so बहुत मेहनत और टाइम लगता है. So guys please like share subscribe कर दिया करो क्योंकि बहुत मेहनत लगती है एडिटिंग करने में, शूट करने में. So that is that and ठीक है, I'll see you in a while guys. So guys, this is how Mama's nails look. She's gotten pink and with some glitter. I don't know why should she get glitter. I don't know. But yeah, she's gotten... Why you wearing my ring? So she's gotten that. So yeah. Hi guys, it's 12:20ish something. I don't know. So I'm done for the day. So I'm sleeping right now and I'm done editing. मैंने editing कर ली थी आके ही. तो तब वो ठीक है. अभी I'm gonna sleep and I'll see you guys tomorrow because I'm really tired. Let's see what's my plan for tomorrow. Maybe I'm gonna go out for lunch with some of my dance friends. So I'll see you guys then. So guys, it's the next day. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's the next day and I'm out with my friends. Not with the dance people because they cancelled because a lot of people are not free. So maybe that'll be sometime later, but I'm here with my friends. So we're at Ambience and we're waiting for our order in McDonald's and there's a lot of crowd here, like a lot of people are here and it's really hot. And okay, bye. Hi guys, so I'm back and I'll show you what I got from H&M. Wait, I'll show you what I got from H&M. Today was so tiring. I don't have much footage because I recorded at the mall. So this is what I got. This is a Blackpink merchandise. It's a sweat shorts basically, and Blackpink baby t-shirt. And I love this outfit. It's really comfy and this cap. So that is that. So hi guys. मेरे रूम में lighting को क्या हो गया? Anyways, I was saying that I'm having Maggie right now, and it's the most tastiest Maggie I've ever made. So that was that. And guys, oh my god, if you guys like तुम लोग को अगर like 2000 song 2000 Bollywood के songs like nostalgical Hindi Bollywood songs पसंद है तो भाई you should hear. I don't know. Thank God मुझे ये गाना वापस मिल चुका है. इस गाने का नाम है लारे छूटे. Lighting. लारे छूटे and oh my god, I'm in love with this song again. Like it's I'll write the name here. It's लारे छूटे and इसका by call लारे छूटे by call. तो इसका एक तो lo-fi remake is damn. Second, iska original is also wow. So I was just vibing to that, and oh my god, I love it. So I think that's it for the day. Kal ka I don't have much plan. Agar kuch hota to I'll obviously vlog it. But yes, so hi guys, it's the next day obviously, and I'm wearing the Blackpink outfit today because I thought I'll just wear it. So, firstly, today I'm also going to record the tasting weird food combos. So get ready for that. Yeah, it's a ganda angle hai. I'm going to do that, and I have a package from Ajio, so I'm going to unbox that. But मुझे एक ढंग का angle नहीं मिल रहा है. हाँ, so this is the package I have. Let me unbox it. Packages खोलेंगे तो satisfying होता है ना. So guys, this is a Nike sports bra. I wanted this for a long time, and this is in a blue color, teal blue actually. So this is the bra I have. Right now I'm gonna go and get the groceries for weird food combo whatever it was. because मुझे लगता है मेरे घर पे कुछ है अभी, तो मैं भी जा रही हूँ वेब के साथ. So guys, I'm going to get my groceries. A little outfit of the day. So this is Blackpink जो मैंने कल दिखाया था, जो मैं लेके आई थी cap, and this is a tote bag I got from Amazon, and then my sliders. So guys, we're on the way to the market, shops basically, not market. You want to say something? Why? This is how the sky looks. It's so pretty. So guys, we're back, and let me show you the stuff we've got.
First, orange juice, Oreos, mayonnaise, Coke. We didn't get ramen, we got like cup noodles, but it's the same thing. So, and then we got Hershey syrup, butter cookies, Lay's, salted Lay's. And Kurkure and Blue Lay's we already have, so that's something. And then we got Maggi. So yes, this is our manual. And yes, these are some sugar chocolate crackers we got. They're really nice. This is Mama though.
So hi guys, it's 8:19 right now, and about the weird food combo testing whatever that was, I'm gonna do that tomorrow because I haven't gotten some of the stuff. It wasn't available at the shop, so I'm gonna get that tomorrow, and then I'm gonna record tomorrow. So you'll see that in tomorrow's clips. So for now, my ring light broke, so I have to buy a new one. So I'm looking for that right now. So I found this one Digitech DRL018, but it doesn't come with a tripod, and it's only the ring light, and the mount is for 3,500. So that's something I have to rationalize about. Let's get it. We need it because for our reels, for YouTube. Okay, proceed. Bye. Guys, I'm doing it. Okay. Order placed successfully. I can't show you guys the address, sorry. But I did it. Okay, bye. I'll see you guys in a while because I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll just have dinner for now, and then I'll edit today's footage. Hi guys. So it's the next day. I'm gonna go to CP with mom and dad. उनको कुछ काम है, and I'm just going for funsies. तो मैं वो जा रही हूँ first. Second, my ring light is here, and it's like adjustable and stuff. It's like मैंने powers के भी कम कर रखे हैं. So this is the ring light. Let's take these. So I'll just take this. Guys, I'm ready. Shoes. We're leaving and Vaibhav नहीं चला है. क्यों नहीं जा रहे हो आप?
मन नहीं है.
क्यों मन नहीं है? फोन में लगना है. ओके बाय. बाय तो बोल दो.
बाय.
कितने रूड हो वैभव. Hi, kitty cat. Hello. Came to Starbucks, me and Dad, but abhi Mom is gone shopping, and me and Dad were hungry, so we came to Starbucks, and this is our order. And this thing. So hi guys, it's next day. I'm really sorry I couldn't end yesterday's day because I got really busy with some work, and North Face maybe also we had some work, so maybe I couldn't like record that much. So जितना करा वो you guys saw it already. So इतना सी बात थी. And about the weird food combos वाला part, I'm really sorry guys. मेरे को कल शॉपिंग जाना था, लाइक वो सामान लेने. कुछ सामान मेरे को नहीं मिला था, जो कुछ नहीं काफ़ी सामान मुझे नहीं मिला था. तो मैं या तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करूँगी या तो मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे. So stay tuned for that. And yes, that's it for this video, and thank you guys for watching till here. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also share it with your friends and help me gain followers on Instagram as well as on my YouTube channel. Subscribe and see you guys so really soon. Have a great day guys. Adios amigos.